नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जस्ट डू इट पर। तो दोस्तों आज ऑलिव बोर्ड पर एसबीआई पीओ का लाइव मॉक टेस्ट चल रहा है। न्यू पैटर्न के हिसाब से ये मॉक टेस्ट रहेगा और ये मॉक टेस्ट आज और कल तक चलेगा दोस्तों। तो उसके पहले ज़रूर अटेम्प्ट कर लेना और न्यू पैटर्न है तो ज़रूर अटेम्प्ट कर लेना इसे। इसमें 40 क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश के हैं, 30 क्वेश्चन कॉर्न के और 30 क्वेश्चन रीजनिंग के। तो देखते हैं, अभी इंग्लिश थोड़ा सा है वीक, बट एटलीस्ट 40 मार्क्स का है तो 25 प्लस आने चाहिए रीजनिंग इंग्लिश में। ठीक है, तो देखते हैं अभी क्या कैसा रहता है। ओके, और 20 मिनट में 30 क्वेश्चन होंगे। इसका मतलब थोड़ा सा लेवल अप हो सकता है कॉन्टूर रीजनिंग का, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। तो चलिए दोस्तों करते हैं स्टार्ट, देखते हैं क्या रहता है हमारा स्कोर इस मॉक टेस्ट में। ठीक है, ठीक है, इसे तो हटा ही देता हूँ। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Big tech to enhance customer outreach that have come to rely on studies show that restrictions on data usage would negatively impact MSMEs. Studies show that, ठीक है, studies show that restrictions on data usage would negatively impact MSMEs that have come rely on big tech to enhance, ठीक है, they should use the best available technologies are made in India or not technologies to make their phones regardless of whether the, ठीक है, DB technologies to make their, they should use the best available technologies to make their phones regardless of whether the technologies are made in India or not, have been issued by the SOPs regarding new criminal laws implementing new provisions, Bureau to guide police officers in DC have been SOP regarding new criminal laws have been issued by the Bureau to guide police officers in implementing new provisions. Experts point out that warming of the conditions leading to the infection atmosphere and stagnant and unhygienic water resources could be some of the condition leading to TADB. Experts point out that warming of the atmosphere and stagnant and unhygienic water resources could be some of the condition leading to infection. Despite facing numerous challenges, her resilience allow her to bounce back and thrive in difficult situations. Her expertise, A, inefficiencies of bureaucracy, government inefficiencies. As I travel to different countries, I often get a chance to talk with students, and when I do, I am often very impressed by their passion for helping solve some of the world's toughest problems. Although I strongly disagree with what Mr. Ridley says in these pages about some of the critical issues facing the world today, but his wider narrative is based on two ideas that are very important and powerful nationally. More than 90% of KIPP middle school students have went on to college, preparatory high schools, and over 85% of KIPP alumni gone on to college. have gone on to college. In energy transitions, Smil explains the three great energy transitions which occur over the last several hundred years and included the shift from wood to coal. Taste in music alter considerably, but whatever people enjoy listening to, they often report an emotional response. ठीक है, taste in music varies considerably. Once a mini moon has been discovered, its orbit is impossible to predict exactly because bodies this small are pushed perceptibly by sun's radiation. This small are drive Earth's geomagnetic field is the magnetic field that extends from the Earth's interior out into space. Earth's geometric field is the magnetic field that extends from atmospheric pressure is caused by gravitational attraction of the planet at the gases above the surface and is a function of variety of factors such as ठीक है, gravitational attraction of the planet as the gases among above the surface. If the UK put aside even a small fraction of urban land to grow fruit and vegetable, it could ठीक है. If the UK put over even a smallest fraction, if the UK put aside even a smaller fraction ठीक है, इसे बाद में करेंगे. Hole. I spent a whole day looking for that book. ठीक है. Drill a hole through. No, false. We travel through the whole country. 1-3. Site. The thief was hidden out of sight behind a tree. The company hasn't yet chosen the site for the new school. If your site is poor, 1-2. All. Certain forms of AI are becoming prevalent, such as the sight of self-driving automobiles navigating the city streets. The researchers developed lightweight batteries of high enough potential to be usefully false. China looks set to become the world's larger economy, and it now wants to lead the world in the field of artificial intelligence. The ability to store energy from renewable resources like the sun and wind opens up doors for sustainable energy consumption. While some experts argue cryptocurrency is a risky and volatile investment, it continues to grow in popularity. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are basically computer files which are stored in a digital wallet on a smartphone or computer. An early life full of neglect, deprivation, and adversity leads to people growing up with smaller brains. developed a new battery they claim can power a phone for 5 continuously days. Financial tycoon are upset because Corporation appears to want to take on a government-like role, creating a currency and perhaps even affect monetary policy. Burnouts happen because people are not able to deal with stress in a positive way. Despite the Oedipal rebellion, however, the younger generation continues to use the same, if expanded, core toolkit: performance, installation, photography, film and video. ठीक है, mixed in with the more recent addition of digital media. Start to use the same. ठीक है, दो पैसेज. EFC, a separate network name and password means you don't need to give guests the details of the main network you and your family can access. ठीक है, all the internet traffic from every connected gadget in your home. Protecting your main internet connection doesn't require a paid security. Modes: you don't want to be caught unaware after your friend's son decided. Which show he wrote about the ongoing triple dip and its impact on rainfall. In his weekly explainer on science, environment and climate change, he wrote about ongoing is now behind a paywall. ठीक है. In contrast to India's continued Based on the given passage, which of the following not above mentioned challenge about digital currency to have complete information about cyber attacks, effects of digital currency on banking system, various risks associated with it, laws regulate currency, degree of anonymity it will have when would assign to the currency. ठीक है, ये हो सकता है. What was RBI intention behind launching pilot project check viability of currency in digital form? Pilot project. Which of the following bills has been introduced to give clarity on the perspective of digital currency? Regulation of official digital currency bill, cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill. ठीक है. Which of the following was found in the BIS survey central banks? 86% were actively researching potential of such currencies. ठीक है. So experimenting with the technology. 1-2. Of the following anonymity, the degree anonymity harmless spooked such as Bitcoin and Ether has spooked central banks throughout the world. Frightened. If the following is true about the passage, digital currency are being used in all developed countries. 50%, 55% in last 5 years. Okay, second way, crucial decisions are required around the degree of anonymity. 2-3. China having already engaged in a pilot project for its digital is what is strategy of RBI to implement the digital currency? ठीक है. Which of the following could be possible example of a routine like the ones mentioned in the passage? In before hypothetical situation can performing a ritual prove to be advantageous? those who don't believe that rituals work here influenced by rituals. Chocolate experiment. नहीं, ठीक है। लास्ट वाला लगभग तुक्का ही मारा है मैंने। तो दोस्तों कौन स्टार्ट करते हैं अभी, ठीक है। कौन में अच्छा करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इंग्लिश में गलत तो होंगे ये क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है। तो कौन में अच्छा करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। ठीक है, तो चलिए दोस्तों कौन स्टार्ट करते हैं अभी। ओके। कर सकते हैं, बाद में करेंगे, ये डेफिनेटली करेंगे, ठीक है। ये भी करेंगे, ये भी करेंगे, ये भी करेंगे, ठीक है। ये भी करेंगे। 1824 डिवाइडेड बाई 76, 1824 डिवाइडेड बाई 76 इंटू 15 इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 23, ठीक है। 76, 71, 24, 360 माइनस 23, 337, 10% ऑफ 17 171 प्लस 15 इज इक्वल टू 151 प्लस एक्स, 186 माइनस 151, 30, 35, 176503, 176500, 2973, 824, माइनस 79492, 23594, 23594, ठीक है। 10386, 7721, 15/4 इंटू 23/7 इंटू 77/27 इंटू 9/22, ठीक है। 5, 15, 14.4, ठीक है। 1457 230, 925 3696, 14789, ठीक है। इंटू 4 प्लस 1 इंटू 4 प्लस 2 इंटू 4 प्लस 5 ठीक है। 925 65 109 163 221 289 365 44 54 64 60 minus 2 58 number 168 sorry 68 80 minus 4 76 10 8 3 11 26 52 85 133 8 15 26 33 50 48 7 11 7 15 14 35 70 131 222 349 21 35 61 91 120 127 14 30 36 106 119 146 190 246 321 12 13 27 44 56 80 75 14 12 19 ठीक है okay. Number of cakes sold each shop on Wednesday is more than Thursday. Average number of Wednesday Thursday ABCD total 1 2 3 4 5 205 40 480 960 400 60 40 Thursday Wednesday and Thursday 180 sorry 160 1000 1120 560 400 80 480 240 160 320 2280 1140 820 480 नंबर 960, 5, 480, ठीक है। ई 800, 480, 640, 160. Number of cakes sold by E and B on Friday. Friday is 40%, 35% less than previous day. ठीक है। 96 and 35% बाई 20, 20, 4, 204, 200. Ratio of number of cakes sold by shop AC Thursday. AC Thursday to ED Thursday. ED Thursday 640, 6132. 180, 160, 960, 320, 2240, ठीक है। 10-8. If the number of cakes sold by K and L Thursday are 25%, 60% less than that of B and C on Wednesday. 1/4, 60, 2/5, 384, 192, Average number of cakes sold by ABCD Wednesday. 7 8 180. C 120. Number of cakes sold by C on Wednesday. What percent more or less than number of cakes D same day? 960 by 6, 16.66. ठीक है. United Coffee Office below shows the people who order 3 different types of coffee. CCD, latte, UCH. Number of people order cappuccino red coffee 6-7. People order twice order cappuccino. ठीक है. Cappuccino bread 6-7. And number of people order latte twice cappuccino. Number of people order bread coffee CCD is same as number of people who order latte TFS. ठीक है. Number of people the number of people who order cappuccino latte 100 and 320 respectively. Number of people who order bread coffee 80 more than cappuccino. The number of people who order latte 20 less than bread coffee. Latte 20 less than. And 160 less than. 160 less than cappuccino. Total number of people who order all 3 types of coffee from TFS is equal to total number of people who order all UCH. 600. 21x plus 180 420 20. ठीक है. 120 140 240 480. ठीक है. What is the ratio of people who order TFS CCD together? Latte TFS CCD 380 to cappuccino CCD UCH 220 1911. Average number of people who order bread 3 300 480 160. Number of people who order cappuccino from TFS is what percent more or less than latte from UCH 320. And by 16 6.25. Difference between number of people who order bread CCD latte UCH 320 140 and 180. Number of people who order cappuccino from TFS 300 is what percent more or less than people who order CCD latte 240 60 1/4 25%. ठीक है. Ratio of numerator denominator in the rational number 5:9. If 20 is subtracted from denominator and 10 is added to numerator, 7:5. 25x plus 50, 63x minus 140, 40, 38x 190, x is equal to 5. ठीक है, sum of numerator denominator 70, 20 more than denominator, 1 is greater than 2. Average 11, 5 15, 150, 174, LM 104, LM n, ठीक है 104, then n is equal to 70. ठीक है, रेशियो ऑफ एम एन 45, 56, 126, 8, 48. ठीक है, वेट ऑफ जे इज 9/7 ऑफ एम, 72 जे एल टुगेदर 26, 130 सॉरी 120. ठीक है, एम एन टुगेदर 126, 1 इज लेस देन 2. ठीक है यार, कम हुए क्वांट में अटेम्प्ट, काफ़ी ज़्यादा कम रहे अटेम्प्ट. इजी था पेपर, बस जो फर्स्ट वाली डी आई थी उसमें कुछ डाटा मेरा गलत हुआ था शायद, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. नहीं तो इजी था, क्वांट ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं था, बट मैं बीच में फंस गया था. तो रीजनिंग में फुल में से फुल करना ही पड़ेगा अब. ठीक है, ठीक है. लॉजिकली फॉलो. ऑल रिमोट्स आर शॉप, ऑल रिमोट्स आर शॉप, ऑल शॉप्स आर ओशन, नो ओशन इज ए, नो रिमोट इज एटम, ट्रू. नो शॉप इज एटम, ट्रू बोथ. Only a few mud house are huts. Only a few mud house are huts. All houses are hut. All houses are hut. 80% farmhouse are mud house. Some mud house are houses. Some mud house are houses. Some farmhouse are house is a possibility. Only two. Only a few seed are sapling. Only a few seed are sapling. No sapling is tree. All herb are tree. So no sapling is herb. Some herb being seed is a possibility. Some herb being seed is a possibility. Both. Mr. X, ठीक है, north, south, east, west. Mr. X start from his house K. If he walks toward east and reach Q, then he turns toward his right and walk reach R, then come back to Q. ठीक है, he come back to Q and continues walking toward north till reaches P. Finally he turns toward right and reaches A. ठीक है, y direction is finishing point with respect to his house, northeast. L is the father of H. रिस्क ले रहा हूँ मैं पहले सॉल्व करके. B is the sister in law of M. B is the sister in law of M. B is the sister in law of M. M is married to L. M is married to L and has no sibling. No sibling. ठीक है. S is the only daughter of M. T is married to B. N is the brother-in-law of T. N is the brother-in-law of T. D is married to N. D is married to N. ठीक है. How B related to D? Sister-in-law. How H related to T? Nephew. Show the following pair of siblings: BLNM, BLNM false, TD, TD. Only one. ठीक है। 6 person sit triangular table, all three facing into a corner, ठीक है। and remaining 3 sitting along the side, ठीक है। ठीक है, हो सकता है, ये इजी लग रहा है। 3 4 5 6, ठीक है। एंड 3 of them sitting corner facing inside and outside. Then sit second to the right of the one laptop. Either JN buys mobile. One person sit between M and the one who buys watch. Who sit third to the right of the one who buys watch. The one who buy furniture second to the right of laptop L. J sit third to the right of the one who buys book. One who buys book. And to the immediate left of M, the one who buys mobile sit at the corner. L and the one who buy dress are immediate neighbor, ठीक है। ठीक है, वॉच ओ, वॉच ओ एम वॉच, वॉच ओ एम, ठीक है। बुक जे, बुक, ठीक है। एल फर्नीचर, जे एन मोबाइल, ड्रेसियल, 3 4 5 6, ठीक है। ओके, वॉच ओ, वॉचियम, जेएम, बुक, ठीक है, एल्ड्रेस, ठीक है, लैपटॉप यन, एल्ड्रेस, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, जेएन, on the following seat second to the right of N, O mobile. How many percent seat between K and the one wise book? 1 or 3. Right of K, 3. Who buys mobile? Among the following seat second to the right of the one who buy furniture? Book, L. So the following is true. 2% seat between K and furniture? False. Who buys 2% seat between L and the one who buys laptop? 2% seat between L and the one who buys laptop? L sit immediate laptop mobile. 6% living 6-story building, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ठीक है. 4% live between Q and R, 2% live between S and T, who lives immediately above P, S T, S live immediately above R, P, P, ठीक है. Among the following live immediately above S, U, Q R, Q V, F J R, true. G P, G Q, V P, both. H L, H Y, false. O B, O U J, O U B, ठीक है, only 2. O I, O H, S I, true. S T, S H N, S H O T, both. Seven boys, A E G I K N V, different days starting from Monday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Three person visited between E and I had bicep. Ishan visited before Gokul. Ian had not done tricep. Only one person visited between I and G, ठीक है. G who had done leg. A works neither Tuesday nor Wednesday. The one who had done back workout visited immediately after Kutik. A visited immediately after Vivan. V who had done arms. Only one person visited between Ian and the one chest. ठीक है, VA ठीक है, E 1 2 3 I G, I बाइसेप, G लेग, ये बैक, VA VA V आर्म्स, ये बैक, फॉल्स हो गया फिर ये, E 1 2 3 I G पल्स, E 1 2 3 I G पल्स, E 1 2 3 I G VA, ठीक है, ये बैक, G लेग, I बाइसेप, के बैक, एन चेस्ट, एन ट्राइसेप नहीं, ठीक है, वी आर्म्स, ट्राइसेप, ठीक है। ऑन विच डे नथिंग विजिट, ट्यूसडे, नंबर ऑफ पर्सन विजिटेड गोकुल इज सेम एज आफ्टर ई, he visited on Thursday, Thursday chest, date before E4, we visited immediately after E back, ठीक है, इसे बाद में करेंगे, आगे देख लेते कौन सा क्वेश्चन है। नहीं, वही करना पड़ेगा, पजल ही करेंगे। 10% graduated 10 consecutive in the 87 to 96, 87 88 89, ठीक है। 4% AB, 1% between T and I graduated after A, ठीक है, I graduated after A, number of person graduated in between A and R is same as IK, E and R is same as I and K, he graduated after 91, number of person graduated after M is equal to graduated before O pair, the number of person whose name start with vowels graduated in consecutive array which were between 88 and 94 vowels, ठीक है, only but not in necessarily in alphabetical order, ठीक है। A A B C D E I O, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ये 2 3 4 B T I E R K 3 4 K E R, ठीक है, ER। ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, हाउ मेनी पर्सन ग्रेजुएट आफ्टर ई? 3। हु ग्रेजुएटेड 93? ई। इन विच ईयर एम ग्रेजुएट? 91, 92? फॉल्स फॉल्स फॉल्स। 23 से किया ना मैंने। काफी बेकार गया रीजनिंग इसमें भी। ठीक है यार, बेकार गया दोस्तों ये मॉक टेस्ट काफी ज्यादा। तो दोस्तों इस मॉक टेस्ट में इंग्लिश में 31 क्वेश्चंस मैंने अटेम्प्ट किए थे, 22 सही रहे, इसमें 9 क्वेश्चन मेरे गलत हुए। दूसरा पैसेज इजी था बट थोड़ा सा मतलब पढ़ नहीं पाया मैं उसे, नहीं तो थोड़े और मार्क्स आ जाते इंग्लिश में। कॉन्ट में 16 किए, इसमें भी 4-5 मार्क्स और आने चाहिए थे। DI में फंसा था स्टार्टिंग वाली, तो कॉन्ट में 16 स्कोर रहा। रीजनिंग में भी लास्ट वाला पजल फंस गया मेरा, तो 19.75 बना रीजनिंग में स्कोर। तो ओवरऑल 55.50 स्कोर रहा। तो दोस्तों आप भी ज़रूर बताना आपका क्या स्कोर रहा इस मॉक टेस्ट में। तो दोस्तों मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, थैंक यू।